Yes, let's start now. Welcome to class 10 students. Today in this video we are going to start with exercise 12.2, which is very simple. Let's start with the basic questions. Okay. So what's the first question for 12.2? Find the area of sector. First of all, you must know about the sector, right? The region between two radius of a circle is considered as sector of the circle. If this is radius and this one is also radius, the region between these two radius, no, this would be sector of the circle. And for sector of the circle, you must know about two things. One thing is formula, that is theta by 360 pi r square. Okay, this is the formula for sector. And what is theta over here? The angle you will make over here, no? Angle between these two radius. This will be considered as theta upon 360 pi. Pi would be 22 by 7 or 3.14, and radius will be given to you, or you have to find. Yeah, this is called sector of the circle. And formula is this only. So on the basis of this formula, we will find the area of the sector. So what's the first question? Find the area of sector of circle with radius 6 centimeter. Whose radius is 6 centimeter? Angle of sector is 60 degree. An angle is given to you 60 degree. Find the area of sector. What is the formula for area of sector? Theta by 360 pi r square, right? This is the formula only. What is theta over here? It is given in the question only that it is sector angle is 60 degree. So you can put the values. For theta, you will put 60 degree upon 360. Pi would be 22 by 7. R is given to you 6 centimeters. So 6 into 6, right? When you will solve it now, just do the calculation. When you will solve it, 18.86 centimeters square would be the area of sector. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Very easy. On the basis of this formula only, I am going to do this question. See how I will do. Simple question is, the length of minute hand of a globe is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. What is minute hand, students? You know very well. Two hands are there in a globe. First one is hour hand and the second one is minute hand, right? Minute hand is mostly equal to the radius only, right? Radius of the circle. So you can see that the minute hand can be the radius of the circle. Okay, length of minute hand of clock is 14 centimeter. If length of minute hand is 14, so you can consider it as radius of the circle. What you can consider? Radius of circle. Okay. Find the area swept by minute hand in one clock. In 5 minutes. 5 minutes means from this point to it will shift this point, right? Right? This area you have to find. This is the sector only. This one is a sector only. So what you will do, you will find the area of this sector. How you will find? First of all, you must know about the theta. Theta is not given to you. This is theta only, right? This angle. Theta is not given. You will find the theta because clock is given to us, right? How you will find the theta? This complete circle will make 360 degree angle. And for complete circle, minute hand will move for 1 hour, right? 1 hour means 60 minutes. For complete circle, in 60 minutes, minute hand makes an angle of 360 degree, right? For 1 minute, it would make 360 upon 60. But I want only of 5 minutes, right? For 5 minutes, I want no, because I have to find the distance after 5 minutes only, right? So for 5 minutes, 360 upon 60 into 5. What would be the area? 30 degree, right? Theta would be 30 degree. So now I got the theta also. What would be the area of the sector? Theta by 360 pi r square, right? This is the formula only. Theta is 30 by 360, pi is 22 by 7, r square is length of minute and is 14 now. That would be the radius only. 14 into 14. It would be 51.33 centimeter square. Okay, this would be the area of sector formed by minute hand of a clock in 5 minutes. Yeah? So coming to the next question. Next question is, in a circle, there is one circle given to you. Okay, in that circle, the radius of circle is 21 centimeter and an arc sustains an angle of 60 degree. Okay, radius is given to you, an arc is there which makes an angle of 60 degrees. So I'm going to draw the circle. So this is the circle you can take. Okay. And radius of circle is 21 centimeters. So I can take this to radius as 21 centimeter. And angle is of 60 degree. So you can take this angle as 60 degree. At the center, find the length of arc. And students, you must know about the one more formula, the length of arc. Arc is this only. This portion we can call it arc. And this portion is on circumference only, no? This portion is on circumference of the circle. What's the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So if the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, so length of this arc would be theta by 360 2 pi r. Okay, because this arc is covering this theta, this angle, right? So theta by 362 pi r would be the length of arc. This is the formula for length of arc. You have to learn this formula. That is theta by 362 pi r. Theta is given to you 60 degrees. So I'm going to put the value over here. 60 by 360. 2 means 2 pi 22 by 7. R is 21. Just do the calculations and you will get length of arc 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Okay. Now second part, area of sector. Now again sector area means theta by 360 2 pi r square. So what is theta over here? 60. Theta by 360 pi r square. Pi 22 by 7, r is 21. 21 into 21. Just do the calculation. Area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. So let me tell you one thing. There are two types of segments, major segment and minor segment, right? When I draw a circle, if I draw a chord to the circle, the portion below the chord, that is small one, which will be considered as minor segment. And this portion would be considered as major segment. Okay, this is called segment. Now this one is new for you in this question, segment. If you don't know about segment, I told you that portion below the chord will be considered as minor and above the chord will be considered as major segment. Okay, so how we will find the area of segment? Let's see. Let's come to the next slide. In next slide, first of all, the area of sector is there. Area of sector is, what's the area of sector? Theta by 360 pi r square. Okay, theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 60 degree. Pi r is 21. You can solve it, right? Now, from the figure, OA and OB are the radii of the circle. I can take this OA and OB. These are two are the radii of circle. Yes or no? If both are the radius of circle, if I make an angle over here, triangle, so I can say that if OA equal to OB, then angles must be equal, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. So this angle would be equal to this, right? If I take this angle as x and this will be also x. So 60 plus x would be 180 degree because sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So area of triangle would be, so x would be 60 only. So this triangle must be equilateral triangle, right? If all angle is of 60 degree, then the triangle becomes equilateral triangle. Now I can say that this triangle is equilateral triangle. So if you want to find this segment, how I will find? See, area of sector minus area of triangle, right? When you will subtract area of triangle from area of sector, you will get the area of this segment, right? Same thing we have done, area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector was 231. In second part, it is there only 231. And area of triangle would be area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 sides. This is the formula for area of equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 sides. Side is 21. Side means radius. This one is 21. It is given to you. So when you will solve this 441, root 3 by 4 would be the area of equilateral triangle. And you have to subtract 231 minus area of equilateral triangle would be the area of segment of the circle. Okay, this was the area of segment of circle. Okay, now coming to the next question, question number 7. It's too easy, very simple. See how we will do. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. Substance, a chord is given to you. Okay. Radius 12 centimeter. Substance an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of corresponding segment. Okay. We want to find the area of corresponding segment now. How we will do? See.